Mr. Johnson, Mrs. Jackson, I want to thank you for coming in today to try mediation. My name is Ben Watkins and I will be your mediator today. Mediation is a form of dispute resolution in which a neutral third party is brought in to help facilitate a resolution through communication. Now I'm under the understanding that that's why both of you are here today and have agreed to move forward. Good. Your roles in the mediation process is to be understanding of one another. You both are going to have an opportunity to describe exactly what's going on and exactly what you feel is important to you and what you want out of this. And once we've done this, we will discuss how we're going to come to a resolution. Now, my role as the mediator is not to decide who is wrong and who is right, but rather to just help the both of you come to an agreement and come up to how we will resolve your conflict. And if we do come up with a resolution to your conflict, I will draw it up and then you will both sign it, ensuring that you are both okay with it. Now, if there's any point in time where the two of you come to a standstill of what you want done, I may break you down into a caucus, and this is when I will sit down with each of you individually and talk about the case and what the deal is, and maybe get to the point of why maybe you aren't saying something that's important. And just remember that this is completely confidential. And sort of about the mediation process, there's no time limit, but I do reserve the right to postpone it. And if you need to take a break, that's fine. Just let me know, and we'll take one. And during the mediation, I will be taking notes, and you are encouraged to do the same. And I'm going to be taking notes to help kind of keep everything in order and to make sure that we stay on track. And I also have an agreement here that I'll be giving both of you to look at. This basically is just described all the steps that I've just gone over, and I'm going to sign it, and I would like the both of you to sign it as well to just ensure the confidentiality of the steps that we're about to do. Would either of you like a copy of this agreement? No? Okay. And just remember again, everything in this mediation will be confidential. It will not be shared, and if you take notes, they will be disposed of after the mediation is over. But before we begin, I have a few guidelines or ground rules that I'd like to go over. First off, I want you to speak one at a time and do your best not to interrupt each other. And I know that could be difficult, but I assure you it will help the mediation process go much smoother. And when you are speaking or you have a question or a comment, I want you to direct that towards me and not the other party. And the last thing is I expect both of you to be gracious with one another. That's why we're here. We're trying to resolve a conflict, so let's just do this as maturely as we can. Are both of you okay with these ground rules? Okay, good. Do either of you have any questions for me? No? Okay. Well, Mr. Johnson, you are the plaintiff, so I will let you begin.